Hey there and welcome. Today we are going to do 4 exercises that you can do utilizing a resistance band. Resistance bands are a great staple to have for any at-home workouts that you are looking to achieve. These particular exercises today are going to work on building and toning our booties. We are going to go over the 4 exercises. However, in an ideal environment, you would do those exercises 3 sets each. So if you wanted to continue it today, you would just go ahead and do them twice more over. Let's get started. I am going to use my medium resistance band. So typically you should have a light, medium, and heavy, and I am utilizing medium, and it does state it, so hopefully yours do as well. Alright, so we're going to slip them on. Ideally what we want is your bands to be over the knees, about mid-thigh. We're going to start first on all fours. If you've joined any of my yoga videos, you know that this is tabletop position. So for the first exercise, what we are going to do is kick up through the heel. One leg for one set, and then we're going to switch to the other side. Okay. Pressing up through the heel. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Go ahead and switch legs, keeping those wrists under our shoulders and our back nice and flat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes. You should be starting to feel that in your glutes. They should be activating. The next exercise that we are going to do, I call painting the rainbow. You can refer to it however you'd like. We're going to start again on all fours, tabletop position. So taking those hands right under the shoulders, knees under the hips, nice flat back. You're going to take your leg out long. Let's start with the right leg and bring that right foot to the outside of the left. To begin, we're going to inhale that leg up and over to the outside of the right. Inhale back to the left side. See that nice little rainbow painting? Inhale back to the inside. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Whew. Okay, let's go ahead and switch to that other side. So the left leg comes out long. Go ahead and bring that foot to the outside of the right side. Inhaling it up and high to the outside of the left. Inhale back to the right. 2, 3. Really work on that range of motion. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, go ahead and take a little break. Grab water if you'd like water. And then we're going to go into our next exercise. Okay, So for our next exercise, you may want to keep a lighter band on hand. This does tend to be a muscle group that is not as strong, and therefore a lighter band might be a good idea to step forth, but I encourage you to try utilizing the medium band that we're currently using. Let's begin. We're going to come to our side. I'm coming to my right side first, and we're going to come down onto the forearm. So stacking that elbow right under the shoulder and hand out long in front so you're on the forearm. I always keep a nice bend in my right leg, but here's the deal. If you're feeling pain in your hip, A, you can put something under your hip, or B, see if you can roll your body a little bit so that you're on a little bit more of the meat. Whatever works for you. The other leg, keep a soft bend in, but it's nice and long. And we are going to inhale it up and come back down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Excellent. One more side. Go ahead and switch over. I'm coming to my left now. Again, forearm on the ground. Elbow is right under that shoulder and it comes out long on the forearm. Nice little bend in the bottom leg. Mini bend in the top leg, your right leg. Ready? Inhale that leg high. 1, 2, 3, 4. Focus on utilizing that hip. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. Go ahead and give yourself a little mini break. And then for this next one, it is up to you, your bands. I typically stay with my medium here or go heavy. We're going to come down onto our backs. If you have a dumbbell here, you can actually utilize it with or without the band. Keeping our knees bent, we're going to take the hips slightly wide. Our arms are nice and flat on the mat unless you have a weight. If you have your dumbbell, go ahead and place it right here on your pelvis. I will grab one of my handy dandy weights. All right, so with the weight right here on my pelvis, feet are hip distance apart, working against that resistance, we are going to inhale and press up through the hips, squeezing the glutes. Exhale, come back down. 1, 2, 3, 4. Press into the heels of the feet, it helps. 5, squeeze at the top. 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Good. Go ahead and bring it back down. Thank you so much for joining me today, guys. I hope these exercises are useful to you, and I hope that you see the value in resistance bands. Hopefully I can see you again soon on my channel, and you may stick around if you'd like to see some unedited footage of Coco at her finest while I'm trying to film today. You're so silly. For our next exercise, we're going to do what I call painting the rainbow. I call it this because it's the motion in which your foot is taking. Are you done? It's never a dull moment when you're trying to film at-home workouts or when you're trying to work out at home, I'm sure.